In this lab, we are looking to view the flow of air and the production of wind. In order to do this, we make smoke, and we can watch the air move as we watch the smoke move. On the ice side, you can see that the smoke is getting rather thick. This also means the air is very dense, and as in comparison to the other side, the warm side, the side with the fire. You can see that the air is continually flowing down on the colder side, and that downward movement also causes a high pressure. The flashlight really highlights how thick the smoke is, and therefore how dense the air is on the cold side. And on the hot side, you can see how thin the smoke is as it rises through the tube. So on the hot side, smoke is rising, and therefore the air is rising as well. And rising air is less dense and has a lower air pressure. You can also see, as we go to the next clip, the smoke is descending again. This time, let's look and see if we can see the air actually flowing through the central tube. You can see the smoke on the cold side, and you'll see more of it soon as it sinks. All right, the cold air is definitely sinking now. And now we want to focus our attention to see if we can see smoke pouring out of the tube on the hot side. I can't see it yet, can you? There it is. Hopefully you can see air flowing out of the tube as the smoke also comes with that air. And this is evidence of wind. Air sinking on the colder side, air flowing from the colder side to the warmer side. And then on the warmer side, if you would recall, the air is going to rise, so we'll zoom in on that shortly. So there's the thicker smoke on the cold side, the denser air. All right, so let's watch again the air flow to the hot side. There it is. You can see it right here flowing out of the tube, evidence of wind flowing from the cold side to the hot side, or from the more dense air to the less dense air location. And finally, air rising. It's difficult to see because it's less dense and the smoke is not as dense in the hot side, because the air is less dense as well. But let's look out the top. Let's change the angle of light, and there we can see the hot air rising out the top of the tube. Thank you for watching.